Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Playmo YT unbagging video. Today we're opening yet 2 more blind bags. So my wife came back from a trip and found these at a store in Southwest Virginia and told me about them ahead of time, and I was just like, yeah, just buy 2 of 16 and 14. They had 13 and 15 and 11, and I already had quite a few of all those, so I was just like, let's go with a series I haven't really gotten much from. So we decided on these, and I am happy to tear this bag open to reveal who it is with you. What is this? That's cool. That's a different kind of torso design. Does he wear a mask or no? This thing, armor. Okay. Arms. Got green hands. That's weird. But whatevs. You know what? I should have done the legs first, because that would make more sense. Alright, I'm gonna do it this way. I don't normally like to assemble them this way, just because to me it's just more difficult. As we can see. There we go. And then the head, and I'll form the head. That's from Voltron. For all you kids under 10. Alright, well, I don't know exactly what I'm looking at, but it's pretty cool, and it's very blurry, I'm sorry. Let's go with the wings next. These wings are like serious business here. Ow. What? These are cool.
Yeah, baby!
Wow, this is busy. But what is he? Is he a dragon? I mean, there's a dragon symbol, well, underneath this breastplate here. But I have no idea. I think it's random, totally random, that he's got green hands. That's just kind of like, I don't know, random. But this guy is cool. I like him. This would be awesome to have a small army, maybe 2 or 3 worth. But I can always Photoshop another one in there. But that is cool. Yay! Yay for him! Yay for me for getting somebody new. Alright, let's set him aside and then open up the second and final character in our blind bag arsenal today. If you guys haven't yet, check out the previous video. It was for Series 14. And only 2. Gosh. Oh, this guy's busy too. Way to go, Playmobil. Hooking us up with characters with a lot of intricate and complicated pieces here. Alright, this is a knight. Seems to be a dragon knight. I wonder if he is in any way affiliated with the creature I just opened. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Now this is cool. I like the armor. That's really nice. This would make really good samurai armor too. That is very nice. Oh, jeez. Okay. Sorry. I gotta slip on the belt there. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. Nope. Arms. I'm so excited. It's like I've forgotten how to, assemble these. Alright, there we go. Click. 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 There we go. He's cool. I'm sorry, I'm very picky about how I put the helmets on. If they're not on straight, then they're not on. And then we have the gauntlets. Oh, my Alexa just scared me. Just told me I needed to plan dinner. No. We're gonna eat in today. Let's see. And then I'm so glad that they finally fixed this thing. You know, those little pockets for the knives and such. When you would stick them on the little peg there, you would have to push them up to be secure. But now you got to push them down because that makes more sense. Oh wait, no, this one you have to push up. Well, I don't know why, because it doesn't make sense. Why do you have to push it up to secure it? You should push it down because that's the laws of gravity. Oof. Well, I'm guessing that was its way of saying, hey, this knife doesn't belong there. That belongs to the sword. And what is this mess? Is this part of an axe? Oh, no. There's a hole on the top of this dude's helmet. Wow. Ouch. That is some serious armor. And then he's got this dinky little knife.
I'm gonna get you with my knife.
But then I have a sword right here. I don't know why I'm doing the voice. Whose voice? I don't know. But let's just put that right there. And once again, we've come to the end of our video. We've got our knight and our other guy here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know we did. We'll see you at the next one. Stay tuned. There's more on the way. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.